In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Otter.ai effortlessly in 2025 with this straightforward step-by-step guide. Whether you're new to Otter.ai or just need a quick refresher, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Otter.ai website. You can do this by typing in Otter.ai into your browser's address bar and hitting enter, or you can click on the link provided in the description below. You'll find yourself on the Otter.ai homepage, which is where our journey begins. As you take in the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll find the Login tab. It's usually conveniently placed there for easy access. Hover your mouse over it and look for the word Login. Click on it. This will take you to the page where you can enter your credentials and access your account. Now, once you've clicked Login, you'll be directed to the sign-in page. At this stage, you'll see several login options. Otter.ai provides flexibility here by offering different methods for signing in. You can choose to log in using your email and password, or if it's more convenient, you may use your Google or Apple account credentials. If you haven't yet signed up, this page will also allow you to create a new account. Choose whatever method suits you best and proceed to enter your login details into the respective fields. After you've entered your information, just hit the sign in button and voila, almost there. You'll then be redirected to the homepage of your Otter.ai account. This is where you'll start seeing all the benefits Otter.ai has to offer. Congratulations, you are now successfully logged into your Otter.ai account. From here, you can explore the features available to you, such as transcribing audio, organizing your transcriptions, and much more. If this is your first time, consider having a little tour around the platform to familiarize yourself with all the features that can enhance your productivity. Remember, if you ever find yourself logged out, or if you're attempting to access Otter.ai from a different device, just follow these simple steps and you'll be back to where you left off in no time. Logging in is just a click away. If you've encountered any issues, maybe double checking your credentials or attempting a password reset could be helpful. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel confident logging into your Otter.ai account from now on. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time.